Python, can you make this underscore EQ underscore easy to understand? I have another question for you. I have a Python class with a list metinfo. This list contains variable names that my class might contain. I wrote an underscore EQ underscore method that returns true if the both self and other have the same variables from metinfo and those variables have the same value. Here is my implementation. Does anyone have any suggestions as to how I can make this code easier on the eye? Be as ruthless as you please.
Use getIterators third argument to set distinct default values. As the default value, set something that will never be an actual value, such as ellipsis. Thus the values will match only if both objects contain the same value for a certain attribute or if both do not have said attribute. Edit, as Nadia points out, note implemented may be a more appropriate constant, unless you're storing the result of rich comparisons. Edit 2, indeed, as Lack points out, just using Hassicher results in a more readable solution. For extra obscurity you could write ... instead of ellipsis, thus get it yourself, etc. No, don't do it, smile.
I would add a docstring which explains what it compares, as you did in your question.
Since it's about to make it easy to understand, not short or very fast.
Plus